Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.